Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Living an OK Life. My name is Kendra and that's Taryn, and we are here to show you a $1.7 million house in Oklahoma City. We're gonna go check it out. It's here in Edmond. We are on the Parade of Homes tour, and they're having like 100 different houses open for a whole week. So we're gonna go check it out and see what a $1.7 million house will get you here in Oklahoma.
Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you want to get our videos. All right, so we're about to enter the home. Look how big this house is. It's ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, so this is the entryway. Oh, look at those paintings. Oh, that's gorgeous. This would be like a formal dining room. This is probably the other formal dining room. Wow, that ceiling design is so pretty. Look at the detail. Look at these floors. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that fire pit. Oh my goodness. A big screen. Okay, let's head this way. Let's see what we are getting ourselves into over here. Oh, that's a nice sized pantry. Probably like a living room. This looks like, wow, this carpet's nice. Very plush. Wow, this is just a regular room. This is not even the master. Wow, look at this closet space. So much closet space. I can't wait to see what the master looks like. Okay, let's head back out that way. So before I move on, this house is 1.695. It is 6,261 square feet, 1 story, 5 bedrooms, 1 master bedroom, office space, 5.5 bathrooms, 6-car garage, and a theater room. Oh my gosh. What's in this closet? Oh, this must be access for your theater stuff. It's out here. Oh wow, this is one of your garages. It's nice. What'd you say, babe? Who were you talking to? What'd she say? Oh. Let's head back inside. Wow, this is a really long hallway. You can see, oh, that must be like another bathroom. Wow, look at the detail. Same setup as the other bathroom. It's really pretty detailed. Another bedroom, same style of bathroom, and back out you have a view of the pool. Oops. Sorry. Wow, that's a nice pool. Room. And a nice washer and dryer. I assume this is the garage. Oh wow. This is the other part of your garage. What is this many cars? Yeah, you could. I wouldn't be surprised if they already had a gym. Oh, they have like a sewing room. This can be an office or a sewing room. Wow, look at the detail on the wall. That's so pretty.
So this is just one side of the house.
Yeah, there's a whole nother side.
Yeah, it's crazy.
This is crazy.
This
would be a really cute office.
Like, I'll go this side, you go that side.
Yeah.
Editing our videos. Crazy.
Then you have access to the pool from over here as well. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna go outside and look at this pool. Coming out here. Wow, look at this backyard space. This is what a backyard should look like. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Be careful not to fall in here. We have a TV out here and everything. Heaters. A grilling space. What? A hot tub jacuzzi area. So nice. Oh, this must be half of a bath. Wow. Wow. Look at the detail on this wall. It's gold. It's so cute.
It's really pretty. It's like this side has its own style.
No wallpaper was used in this space. What you see is a custom finish created by Paint Inspirations. Shout out to Deb Johnson. There's her number if you like this style. It's gorgeous. Now let's go on down the hall. Holy moly. What in the world? Oh my gosh. Look at that ceiling. That is crazy. I don't know. Do not touch the wall. Look at the wall. It shines. Shine bright like a diamond. Wow. This must be the bathroom. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh, this is the master. You can't say this is not the master.
I can say it is, but
look at this. This is crazy. Oh, you're fine. Sorry. There's a walk-in shower. Look at this tub. Nice separate bathroom area. Look at the sink. Let's look in this closet. Oh, look, you have your own washer and dryer in your closet. That's so convenient. That's a nice size closet. That's really nice. Head on over to this side. What's over here? Whoa! The other side was the man's closet. This is the woman's closet over here. What in the world? Imagine all the shoes, purses, coats, boots, everything. You even have natural light coming through. It's a whole wraparound. That is crazy.
That's well.
Separate sinks. Let's see what's down this way in this little room. Oh, you could have like anything. Some couches, a little office. It's a nice little room. Right off the side. I guess maybe if you have a baby, you could put it over there. What's down the hallway? What? There's a whole separate kitchen over here. Oh my gosh. You have like your entertainment area. Another refrigerator. Another big screen. And the game room. Man, they did a good job with the lighting in here. Look how cool that is. This is on the other side of your house. This is crazy. Now let's see what's down this hallway. Oh, this is your movie theater room. Oh, again, the gorgeous lights. Wow. This is nice. It has the 2 steps so you can get your rows like movie theater seating. Nice view of the pool over here as well. And this is the final part of the house. What is it? It's another bedroom. Nice barn door closets. And it's over here. Another bathroom. Wow. Cute lights. Alright, you guys, that was the end of the $1.695 million house here in Oklahoma City. Well, it's in Edmond, technically. But it's here in Oklahoma. Edmond is just north of Oklahoma City. Anyways, it was a really beautiful house. We really loved it. That's like a dream house for sure. That was crazy. Anyways, let us know what you thought about it in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell for more videos about Oklahoma. We will see you guys next time. Bye.